Hello and welcome to Satisfying Moments with Charlotte. Today I'm going to be doing this bath bomb, and it says that it turns water into slime. So yeah, I'm going to be trying it. It is blue raspberry scented. So yeah, here's the bath bomb. And I'm gonna drop it in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It's really fizzy. It smells really good. As you guys can see, it's already turning. It won't show on camera, but it's like little droplets coming up. Whoa! That is so cool. It also smells so good over here. Here's the bath bomb. The water's like right. It's not slimy yet. I don't feel anything like slime. It just seems like a normal bath bomb. Really hot water, so yeah, it's fizzing a lot. Whoa. It's really cool, and it smells really good. If you hear noises in the background, it's my baby brother. Yeah, so it's like a waterfall. It's not slimy. I wonder when it's going to turn into slime. It says that the longer it sits, the more it's going to turn into slime. It's really tiny compared to the way it was before. My hand is like wet. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a like if you want me to do more bath bomb videos. I don't feel anything yet because it's just slime. I mean, it's not slime. Bath bomb is almost done. It's really dark blue. Comment down below if you've ever tried this. This is my first time. It smells really good over here. It said it's supposed to be blue raspberry scented. I don't really think it's blue raspberry scented. Really like cool. I recommend it. I gotta adjust this. Here it is compared to my hand. It's gotten smaller. And my hand's gotten wetter. The water is really blue. And update on the bath bomb. It isn't really like slime that much yet, but usually it takes some time. Still water. It feels so weird. It looks like coral. It's actually kind of grossing me out because I don't like holes. And something just blew on my head. It just blew on my head. I think my hands are gonna be blue after this. It looks so weird. Oh my goodness, this is so tiny. Break it. Whoa. It's really getting like cool. I feel a change in it. From the beginning, it's like actually like a little bit slimy. So it's a few days later and we added some activator to it, so it's really slimy.